Hi all, my name is Willem and today I'm going to show you the SingleRail system with the CrossHook 3S and 4S for clay tile and concrete tile roofs. In my hands I have the CrossHook 3S. Why 3S? Well, you have a 3 times height adjustability in the base plate. Usually, if you think about the tile roof situation, the battens, they are usually with a different batten size as well as the thickness of the tiles varies. So you need this height adjustability in many cases. Also, the flexibility to shift from the bracket from the left to the right, from the edge to the edge, let's say, allows you easily to enter in the valley of the tile. The CrossHook 3S also has a European technical assessment, so it's certified in all European countries. Additionally, if you also have a situation that the roof in total is not perfectly levelized or imbalanced, we have with the 4S CrossHook the option of a height adjustability in the bracket. By this you can perfectly align the PV installation on the tile roof. When installing the CrossHook 3S, you have to consider on tile roofs like the clay tile roofs to make sure that you create a little gap on the bottom side of the upper tile so that the CrossHook can easily run through and perfectly fit below the upper tile. And also you have to prepare and work a little bit on the lower tile as well, so up here, to create also here a certain gap to place the CrossHook also perfectly below on the lower tile. The same fact you have to consider when it comes to the concrete tiles. So also here you have to create a hole on the bottom side so that you can easily place the CrossHook in the center of the tile. You don't have to cut on the concrete tile roof the lower tile. Now I show you how to install the CrossHook 3S on a clay tile roof. Now I show you how to install the CrossHook 4S on a concrete tile roof. So in case you also might have situations where you don't have enough thickness of the tile to place an aluminium hook there. So we also have, like the single hook Vario for instance, stainless steel solutions, stainless steel hooks, which you can then use in such cases. In case you want to install a solid hook together with the SingleRail system, with the SingleRail we have created the L adapter to connect easily to the SingleRail. Also, you know maybe the situation that you have to fix a hook in between 2 rafters. For this case, we also found a good solution, which I want to present you now. It's the base plate of the CrossHook, the crossboard, which you can get in a 2.10 meter rail length, and you just have to cut it to the right length, and depending on the project conditions, and then you install it on the 2 rafters and place the bracket of the CrossHook according to the assembly instruction. As you've planned the project in base, you also get the structural approval of the system, and in the result page you also get the information where the location of each single CrossHook is exactly placed. If you use already the Roof Check app, you can also online on the smartphone check out the report information. If you want to get some more information or a better overview of all the different tiles and roof hooks options that are available, then please also check out the video of Olga and Lars. They are showing you there far more of the different roof types. And if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to call us.